I'm going to show you how to check the current engine oil level. Having the proper amount of engine oil in your vehicle is critical to its operational needs. The best way to check the engine oil level is using the status dipstick located right here. This is in front of the engine. All you need is a rag or paper towels, and you can go ahead and pull this dipstick out and go ahead and clean the end off. You'll notice on the end of the dipstick, it has a cross-hatched safe level. That's where you want your engine oil to be. You don't want it to be higher and you don't want it to be lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the dipstick back in and pull it out real quick. And then I'm going to read the level. Here's a view in the sun. You can see that it is right at the top side of the safe mark. I just changed the oil and I put exactly 5 quarts in, which is the capacity of the engine. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. And that's how you check the engine oil in your 2007 Chrysler Town & Country. Thanks for watching.